What is the processor, CPU? The processor, also called the CPU, is the component that executes instructions and makes decisions in the computer. Everything you do goes through it, from the simplest click to complex tasks. Understanding this changes how you see machine performance. What CPU means in practice. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. In simple terms, it is the part that reads commands, performs calculations, and sends responses to the rest of the system. Without it, the computer would have parts, but would not know what to do with them. How the CPU communicates with programs. When you open a program, it sends instructions to the CPU. These instructions are very small steps, executed in sequence. The faster and more organized this process is, the more responsive the computer feels in daily use. The importance of processor cores. Cores are like internal divisions of the CPU that allow multiple tasks to be executed at the same time. A processor with more cores can handle simultaneous activities better. Have you noticed how you can listen to music while browsing without freezing? A lot of that comes from here. Clock, the speed of thought. The clock indicates how many cycles the CPU executes per second. In practical terms, it is the processor's work pace. A higher clock helps with quick tasks, but it is not the only factor that defines performance, and this often causes confusion. CPU does not work alone. The CPU depends on memory, storage, and other components to work well. It processes, but needs to receive data and send results. That is why a good processor does not work miracles if the rest of the system is slow. In summary, the CPU is the component responsible for executing instructions and coordinating everything in the computer. Cores, clock, and integration with other components define how it behaves in daily use. Now that you understand this, which part of the computer would you like to learn about next?